Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Flamenco Coach. I'm Belinda Retinal. In this video today, we're going to do a warm-up exercise that uses the Carretilla. The Carretilla is simply a run of stamps. If you're looking to build on your technique and improve your flamenco, then keep watching. Is simply a run of stamps in a row, for example like this. And the idea with the stamps is you want to put it in time with a compass. You might be going on the beat, or you might be doing double time or triple time, and it can also be used to accent some of the compass as well. So what we'll do to get started is just practice the stamps on their own, just in a very slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So once you're comfortable doing your carretilla on the beat, you can then speed it up a little with double time, and you can go on the half beat as well as the on beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Let's try that again on the other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, so let's do that just a single time and then add the double time on straight after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, so that's a great way to practice the carretillas, by starting off slowly and then building up into the double time as well. So now that we have the basic exercise, let's put that to some solo compass. I'll use an Alegrías rhythm in 120 beats per minute. We'll do the single time and then the double time, one after the other, and then we'll go to the other foot. Once you've practiced the single time and the double time, and you're building up your speed and your strength and your stamina, you can then go ahead and try triple time. Triple time is simply going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're fitting in 3 beats to every count. So to give you an example, we would be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and try the carretilla in triplets to the solo compass. got a few variations. We've got the single time, the double time, and the triple time. Let's put them all together in one exercise to practice them at once. And we'll do single time for one compass, double time for the next compass, and in the third compass we'll do double time up to the 6, and then on the 7, 8, 9, 10 we'll put in the triple time. So let's give that a go. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, then please hit that like button, and if you'd like to see some more, then click that subscribe button too. I'll see you in the next video.